Good morning from Friendly Truck and RV. Hopefully you find this information helpful. We are doing a water video on the 2010 road truck. Starting on the outside is going to be your garden hose hookup. Moving up, you will see the valve located here. Currently, it is on city pressure. If you flip the tank fill valve sideways, you can fill either front summer tank, rear winter tank. There's also another valve on the inside, as we will see in a minute, that will control water flow from these front summer to the winter tank. Let us go into the inside of the travel trailer. And as we get back into this compartment, this red handled valve will control which freshwater tank is being filled. It is marked in tape on the bottom, and you can change the direction of it just by moving your one handle one way or the other. In this position, it will fill the winter tank, which is located on the inside. Located next to that is going to be freshwater drains. Currently they are closed. You will need to open them and pull the cap off of the freshwater tank to drain the system. You have water heater bypass valves for winterizing. Currently they in the standard use position. To go through and winterize and drain the tank, hot water tank, you will just flip this valve up, the next valve up, and the third valve you will go down. That will bypass your hot water heater for winterization purposes. Once you have these valves shut off, then you may remove the anode rod on the outside of the hot water heater and drain the hot water heater. Located back on this side is your water pump that will operate off both front and rear tanks, depending on where your valve, the red handled valve, is at. The red handled valve, like I said, will in fact decide which tank you are coming from, either the front end or the rear. The kitchen sink is currently run by the water pump. This will be your hot water side, and the left will be your cold water side. Make sure your water pump is on unless you are hooked up to city. When you are not hooked up to city, it will draw fresh water from either one, the summer and or winter tank, depending on which tank you have chosen. As I have said, I have marked in masking tape the selection of the inside and outside water tanks. And hopefully this is helpful in figuring out your water supply system. If you have any questions, please call us and we can walk you through any problems you have.